Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to recycle my dip mani that I did with the MEFA system. I'll be using You Are Beautiful 04 and my Coned stamper, my beauty scraper, and I'll be using Braves Diva Shutout. I love this image. I've used it many times before and I'm using it again today. So here we go. We're going to plop that on. Nothing crazy. I'm not going too ballistic today. I'm just going to stamp these images on some nails that I already had done. But if I'd added this to the other video, it would have been just way too long. So I decided to break it up a little bit. I think this image looks really cute over those light pastel colors. Like I said, I'm not getting too crazy. I'm not doing anything fancy. I'm just going to put some stamped images over this beautiful dip powder that I got. I did wear the dip powder for a few days. I didn't have any issues with it. It didn't do any cracking, peeling, or anything like that. So it is a winner in my book. I am cleaning my stamper off on a lint roller, and I'm cleaning the plate with pure acetone. Acetone. I love this image. And I think that, you know, it really made this manicure, you know, really pretty without going over the top. You know, not too much contrast. So, there you have it. Tapping that image down. I'm going to go in with a piece of tape and get all this excess up that I can. With the tape before, you know, before I go messing with it. Alright, I am going to use a little bit of acetone just to tidy up. Just a little bit. Very minimal cleanup though here. I'll be topping it with the Maniology Smudge Free Top Coat. And then I'm going to seal it in. And once this top coat is completely dry, then I'm going to go in with my Poshe top coat. So here we go with the Poshe. And this will finish off this manicure. I really like it, and I hope you like it too. So leave me a comment down below and let me know what you think about this manicure. Would love to hear from you. Here is my swatch photo. And as always, I want to thank you for watching, and until next time, be good to yourself.